Hello, viewers, and welcome back to InfoBits. If you are a teacher and wondering how to create an educational content in audio format, or if you are a YouTuber who wish to create videos with various sound mixing effects, then you are at the right place. Today, we are going to learn about Audacity, a widely used free and open source digital audio editor which is available for all the major operating systems, that is Windows, Mac and Linux. I will provide a link for downloading the software in the description box below so that you can check and get it from there. In this tutorial video series, we will learn how to record an audio in Audacity, how to import an audio file, how to reduce background noise from an audio, how to put various sound mixing effects in Audacity, how to cut and paste a portion from an audio, how to mute a part of an audio, and finally, how to export an audio file. So do ensure to go through all the parts of this tutorial carefully. Now, without wasting much time, let's go ahead with our video. So this is the interface of Audacity software. On opening this software, you will find this interface with this dialog box. Click on OK and here you are. Now before moving ahead, let's have a quick introduction on various tools available in this software. So this part, as you can see my cursor moving, so this part is called the transport toolbar. Then this portion is called the tools toolbar. This is the option, this is the place called playback meter toolbar, and this option, this area is called the playback speed toolbar. Okay, so let's have a look at the transport toolbar first. So here is the record button. So in this Audacity software, we can either record something of our own by clicking on this record button. This is the pause button, this is the play button, this is the stop button, this button is skip to start button, and this is skip to end button. Now if you wish to import any audio file, we have to go to the file, click on import an audio, and then you can import any file from here. So see, this is the file that we have imported from here, and you can undo it by clicking Ctrl Z. If you have done any wrong or you want any correction, just click Ctrl Z and you will be reverted back to the original position. Let me now try to record something from here. Audacity is a free, open source, cross-platform, multi-track audio editor and recorder which is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and other operating systems. Audacity can record live audio through a microphone or mixer, or digitize recordings from cassette tapes, records or mini disc. Stop my recording. Now let me tell you before going ahead that here you can see that there are two tracks, because by default the recording channel has been chosen in the stereo type, but you can choose it to monotype recording channel as well. And what is the difference between stereotype and monotype? In stereotype there are two channels that gets recorded, and in monotype there is only one recording channel that gets recorded. Now we have recorded something. Let's play and something from here. Audacity is a free, open source, cross-platform, multi-track audio editor and recorder which is available for Windows, Mac, Linux and other. Okay, so this recording has been done. Now let's go ahead with the editing of this recording part. So the first effect that we want to do in Audacity is noise reduction, the background noise reduction. Noise is something that whenever we speak something, the gap between our voice, the audio, is called a noise. And noise is something that makes a video or audio completely waste. So it is very important to reduce the noise, that is the background noise from any audio, to make an effective e-content or video. So for removing the noise, first of all we need to select the portion. So you can simply click Ctrl A, so the entire audio gets selected. Now you go to the effects on the toolbar and look for noise reduction. Click here, and here you see the option called get noise profile. Click on this. Again you go to the effects, go to noise reduction and click on OK. So have you noticed something, that the audio, the pitch, the level of the audio was something different? Let me just undo this. By clicking on Ctrl Z, you can undo whatever changes you have made. Look at the changes carefully. I again go to the effects, go to noise reduction, get noise profile. Okay, the clip is already selected. I go back to effects again, select noise reduction, and now click on OK, and you see the noise has been removed from the entire audio clip. Okay, now that we have reduced the background noise, from here the second effect will come, which is normalizing the audio clip. That is, when you record something, your voice is low somewhere and high somewhere else. The normalize effect will balance the pitch of your voice at the same level throughout the video. So for normalizing, you may select the whole portion by clicking Ctrl A, as we did earlier, like this, and then go to effects and click on normalize. Now here you can see that the normalized peak amplitude is set at -1 dB. So click on OK here, and now the voice has been normalized. That means the level of the voice throughout the audio has been equalized. Let's have a look. Audacity is a free, open source, cross-platform, multi-track audio editor and recorder